In this lesson, we are going to study five-finger patterns. Five-finger patterns on C. Make sure to have the tip of thumb around here for thumb and the tip of pinky, not on the side. Curl your finger, knuckles up. We're gonna try on G. Thumb goes on G. Try to leave all of the fingers on key, sticky fingers, rather than doing this. Those are not really necessary. On the side, curl your finger. All the tip of the fingers are touching on the key, and try. And I want you to also practice left hand. Sticky fingers. Make sure not to do this, not to use the side tip.